Galit
Excited
siya.
si Pochi pero galit siya. I know, anak.
Malaki yung tampo niya.
Halika dito, halika dito, halika dito. Papakay, halika dito.
Ngayon lang niya makikita ba?
Halika nga.
Kasi nga magta-30 na siya eh.
Magagalit.
Magta-30 na si
siya.
Pochi.
Kasi ngayon lang niya nalaman ng tatay pala niya si John Prats.
Pochi.
Uy, hindi naman naging kami.
Hindi ba?
I don't consider.
Patay. Magkakaalaman tayo.
Miski mga ano,
MU, fine, MU. Okay.
Ayun ang uso dito.
MU.
Pero in fairness, di ba uso yung mga picture dati na malilit na ganyang mga kinukulik?
Nasa notebook sila.
Isa sa meron ako,
Oo,
picture ni
naman.
John Prats.
Siya yung first na inayakan ko. Kasi talaga, in my mind, I really thought I loved him. Crush ko talaga siya eh. Ever since. Oo, crush ko naman din talaga si John Prats.
Ay, kwento.
Swabe kayo. Pag ganun ka eh. Ha? 7? Itong mukhang to. Mukha ba tong 7? Ha? Eh dapat nga 12 pati.
For us to reconnect. So that's really cool kasi not a lot of exes are like that. Yung mga iba, agaw buhay ka na, may boyfriend ka, tapos tumatawag ng how many years? 10 years non-stop, on-off, tatawagan ka, may boyfriend ka ng iba, tawagan ka, tapos gusto mag-movie, tapos biglang,
Biglang hindi, biglang oo, biglang hindi.
oh, it's not that I want to be back with my other ex, it's just I find him so like, siguro that's the reason why I didn't end up with him, he's so all over the place. So ito, na-appreciate ko kasi, this is a mature kind of way of like, you could really be supportive of one another, be friends, yung parang you're so secure about yourself and your relationship present time. Kasi last time namin na nagkita, parang hindi kami okay. And we never really got to speak about it. This is how many years of my life? 14 years old hanggang 19 years old. That's a long time of being built together and, you know, parang feeling mo dapat ikakasal kayo, ganon. So we're gonna go see him. I'm actually excited kasi, kumbaga, yan ang kababata ko. So excited ako makita siya.
Reunion.
I wish we can we're friends, pero ano yung, ayaw talaga niya pumayag. Yeah, today we're going to revisit a chapter that is very close to all of our hearts because sa mga kaedad namin, sabay-sabay tayong lumaki at sabay-sabay tayong hindi tatanda. Yeah!
A little detail.
Can I borrow the shoes? Because the shoes are quite
Here,
important.
here.
Cute naman.
Ganda ng scar.
Dapat gumalan ako mamaya.
Hello, hello po, hi.
There's someone who is a big part of my life, but I haven't seen her.
Saan po ba?
Please, hindi ko kasi.
Hindi may ganun. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Ano na?
Grabe,
Do you
ah.
like it?
Very you.
Gwapo mo, Prapi.
Grabe ka naman. Ikaw ang hindi nagbabago.
Ano na?
Kamusta ka na?
So, nagkamali ka ba?
Saan?
Charot lang.
Ano? Ang aga, ah. Grabe, totoo na to. After how many years? Hearty? 20 plus years?
20 plus.
Since, you left, EBS, no?
Since I left you. Charot!
Atapang na nito, ah. Matapang na to, ah.
I've changed. I've changed, no? So there's someone in my life that I haven't seen. It's up to you to decide. Pwede ba kayo maging friends ng past mo? Or pwede kayong wag maging friends? But today, I think we're friends. So let's all welcome John Prats in the house.
We're friends, we're friends.
We're
Pwede, pwede.
friends. How's life? So you're a director now.
Yeah. that transition talagang hindi ko nakita yun.
Very good. Ganun naman din talaga eh. Na hindi
Hindi nakita yun.
Pero pogi ka pa.
Hindi pa ako stress.
Hindi.
Pero ang dami ko na puting buhok, no?
Hindi kasi daddy mo maputing mo eh.
Totoo. Ikaw ang grabe. I mean, sabi ko nga, alam mo, very yun, nung nakikita ko like you. It's like, very, very hard. Like, talaga ba? Walang ano. Ikaw naman maganda ka pa. Well, hindi ka naman talaga nagbago. Hindi ka naman talaga
Puyat
nagbago. Sobra.
Pero pretty pa rin.
Oo naman. Grabe, nakakamiss to.
I don't have 25,000 facial expressions in 1 second. And
You have.
No, I don't.
You have.
It's still there. Of course, I remember a lot of things. Do you want to remember a lot of things?
Ako, lahat natatandaan ko.
Like,
The first time na na-meet kita,
oh,
na nasa autograph signing kami.
yes.
Kasi si Heart kasi hindi siya part ng ano eh,
Jimmy.
ng Gmic talaga.
Dream ko
Nung
lang
time
yun.
na yon, me, Carlo, Stefano, Miko, Angelica and Camille.
Yes.
Sino ba itong maarte na to? Ganun talaga kami. Sobrang blessed talaga ako na nangyari to kasi alam mo yung hindi mo naman siya pinangarap na pero nangyari pa rin. And I'm super excited kasi hindi dito matatapos
No.
tong journey na to. It's a start na tayo nila Angelica, Camille, my sister. Kung mahanap man si Stefano, kung nasan siya.
Do you know?
No.
Before that kasi, talagang crush na kita. First crush talaga. Yes! And then, ang sama-sama na loob ko kasi may article sa Star Studio na sinabi mong may crush ka ganyan, Joyce Jimenez. And then, I find this girl from the
Ayan.
deodorant commercial pretty. So, I was like, that's me. And when they gave me the role sa Star Studio na kunwari,
Sobrang
fanatico.
surreal sobra. Sorry ang surreal na kaharap kita ngayon.
Talaga?
Sobrang
So, ano feel mo?
weird. In a good way na hindi ko na-imagine na magkikita pa tayo ulit.
I
Like,
know.
sige tuloy mo lang. Sobrang na ano lang ako.
So, nung when I got that, parang I had to act like a fanatic. Tapos napaka-mysterious niya. 10! 8! 7. Shocks, ang gwapo niya. And then, hindi talaga niya ako gusto. Anyway, I'm back to my ano. Hindi talaga niya ako gusto. Ayaw niya sa akin.
Hindi. Masaya ako dun sa aspeto na mag-isa lang ako na
Which is
wala akong
good.
iniisip.
Oo.
Kasi nung time na yun, si Camille, saka si Stefano, Miko, Love Triangle, Carlo, and Angelica. Tapos ang dami pinatry sa akin love team. Remember, Sarah Christopher. And then we had that audition for my love team na gulat ako kasi someone reminded me na dalawa sila ni Heart na katabi ko.
Angeline.
No, si
Angel.
Angel Luxin.
Angel Oxine.
Yeah, yung isa. Hindi siya nakuha kasi matangkad siya sa akin.
Pumila ako ng ilang oras dun. Sa
Grabe,
MTV.
totoo ba?
Yes! That's why when you neglected, charat!
Marami ka naman.
No, talagang pinilahan ko yun because I really wanted to be his love team. As in, dying. So, talagang hinope ko.
Tapos nangyari naman.
Nangyari naman. Kasi pumayag ka.
Hindi ako pumayag. It was my decision na parang, siguro may nakita sila na sa aming dalawa na physically nag-jive. Kasi talaga nung love team namin, wala kaming formula nung time na yun eh. It's like, I don't remember na tinrabaho natin siya, Hearty,
Actually,
na
most of the stuff that we did, they were all impromptu.
lahat. Yung nag-match yung kanal ko tsaka sa social niya, nag-match yung ganung dynamics na like growing up, aminin ko, jologs talaga ako na, alam mo yung lalaki
That was your
na,
charm.
yun yung lalaki na pilyo. Ay, alam kong pilyo talaga ako. Alam kong pilyo talaga ako. Bago pa nauso ang lahat, si Heart na nagpauso na nilalampas niya yung lipstick niya sa labi niya. Tapos, sabi ko, ba't mo ginagawa yan?
Yeah.
That dynamics, na ako very innocent, na hindi yun ang kinalakihan ko, but si Heart talaga is like, nung bata pa lang talaga siya, into fashion siya, advanced talaga siya eh.
Tsaka hurt ako dun sa lip.
Alam niyo yan? Kasi
Alam
sabi
mo?
ko, nung time na yun, sabi ko, ginagawa yan, parang kang clown. Yung,
Oo, yes, you would
ba't nilalampas?
Oo. Kasi ang gusto ni John, simple,
Yeah, I like yung,
mistisa.
sneakers lang.
Charot!
Hoy! Hoy!
Bleep. Sobrang na-heal yung literally inner child ko. Ako, I think it would be Missy and Yuan and
No,
Missy.
ako rin, you and
Yun
me.
pa rin talaga.
Yun yung core eh.
Oo.
Hindi kami binago, hindi kami... Tsaka, isipin mo, like, I still remember nung ginawa natin yung trip, inodoro, nilagay yung paa niya.
Sa kanya.
Ganun niya ka gusto mag-artista kahit anong
Sa
pagawa
kanya,
mo sa kanya.
Man-made puddle. Do you think I don't know that?
Man-made.
Man-made puddle yung sa'yo.
Ah,
Nalahulog
talaga.
ka.
Sa'yo organic, no?
Akin na organic. Na pura kalabaw. Tapos after
I didn't know or
some time,
ano, man-made yung
ano,
akin ah.
John Prats na kasi siya nun eh. So,
No, I felt nung time na yun, malakas ako sa love team natin. Ganun lang yun.
But you were, for me, you could stand alone.
Ang hirap pa. Nag-stand alone ako, pero ang hirap pa.
I wasn't able to go to high school, but I didn't go to prom, but I had moments with you guys. You know, and I'm so thankful for that. I mean, without you knowing, I would think about you guys a lot kasi you guys made me who I am. You allowed me to be me, you allowed me to be Missy, and I'm still Missy. I'm Missy. Minarating yung kaartihan ko.
Gabi ko na, buti nakakausap ko nga ito, pa nakikita ko yung...
Hindi, syempre, emote ko lang yun. Syempre, pa-mature. Pero ako pa rin to.
Hanggang ngayon, the pinaka-highlight of my career is the John and Heart. Lagi ko naman sinasabi yan.
Ako din naman.
The John and Heart, na until now, na even director na ako, like when TJ, KZ, like galing kami sa tour, I'm sure yun din nararamdaman mo pag nakakita ka ng mga love teams ngayon na tayo yung, alam namin yan.
We were the blueprint and
Yeah.
they tried to construct it
Yeah.
as.
Tsaka ang ganda kasi ang nag-dictate talaga, hindi kami binild up ng ABS. Walang ganon.
Organic siya nangyari.
Organic, ang nag-dictate talaga is the people. Hindi tayo napilitan to do whatever. Kung ano yung nakikita nila on-screen sa atin.
Pinaroll lang nila.
Even ngayon nakikita ko nga sa feed ko
Ako
yung
din.
the one with Wilma Dasset, yung sitcom, yung asara natin.
Ako.
Lahat
Oh,
yun, impromptu
I
yun.
have a question.
Hindi kami ni Wilma, never kami ni
No. Ang question ko is, nakatipid ka ba sa semento ng bayo?
Kung nakatipid ako,
You don't remember that?
nakatipid ako.
Kasi sinasabi nila sa amin dati, ano mo kung kayo magkakatuluyan, makakatipid kayo sa semento ng bahay nyo. Why? Why? Kasi may...
Low ceiling lang kami. Hindi natin kailangan ng high
Hindi
ceiling,
kailangan
like
ng
sunod
high ceiling.
pintuan lang.
Si John talaga yung nagtitake ng lead nung time na yun. And I really trusted them because their family, si Camille, si John, talagang they were legit. And I really, for me, he paved the way for me. Ang laki ng utang na loob ko kay John. I let them lead the way. And I just followed John.
Ako kasi hindi ko siya nakikita nung bata ako. Yung guidance ko lang naman kasi ang turo na ng mga magulang ko is kahit gaano ka kasikat, pag uwi sa bahay, anak ka, kapatid ka, laging humility yung pinapairal namin when it comes to whatever we have. Na-experience ko yung ganong experience, yung ganong peak nung career ko with her. Siyempre, iba yung JCS band as a
Ay, such a
band
fan of
kami,
Jesus.
di ba?
Kasama ko sa music video niyo.
Oh yeah, doon kami pala. Doon tayo una na
Tapos
nag-meet.
parang
Siya yung
shucks,
love team ko sa music
Hindi niya ako
video.
titignan. Sabi ko, naka-backlist ako. Insecure na insecure pa ako kasi sobrang backlist
Pero ako may pinakamagandang love team noon, ha.
I know. Thanks so
Bibigay
much.
ko naman sa'yo talaga yun.
So conscious ako sa paa ko kasi ayaw niya naka-nail polish yung paa. Gusto niya malinis yung paa. Eh, syempre, yung paa ko sobrang...
Paano mo nalalaman yun?
Because you always look at my
Oh.
toes. Kaya nga, nag-prepare ako today. Nag-French tip lang ako.
Yun nga.
Para still natural.
French tip, ha? Ayos, ha?
I was always so available. I was always talagang para akong sunod. Lagi lang nagwawag yung tail.
Alam mo, pinamimigay ko pa yan, ha?
Yes!
Pinamimigay ko siya na meron ako isang friend. Di ko nasabihin. Sabi ko, alam mo, hindi mo alam to na sinasabi ko
Nafe-feel
sa
ko.
kanya.
You don't have to let me know. I felt it the whole time.
Sabi ko, alam mo, ganito gusto ni Heart. So, ginawa niya. Tapos ako, syempre, yes, mawawala na sa akin si Heart. Ganun yung tingin ko, magkakajowa na siya ng iba. Alam mo, na-hurt ako nung nakita ko na yung in love na siya. Na parang feeling
Ooh.
ko, nasabi ko, ako yung...
Ew!
Oy! Oh, sabi ko sa'yo mamaya feeling ko kasi sasagutin niya na yung guy anytime. Tapos parang I felt something na parang,
I know
Uy,
this.
love ko na to, ah.
Okay.
yung gano'n, yung love ko na to,
Muna
parang
sabihin yung
na-hurt na
nangyari
ako, ah.
after. Hindi mo sinabi sa akin yan dati.
Siyempre, sinabi ko sa'yo yan.
Bakit ka nandito?
Binabatayan ka, bakit?
Grabing 18th birthday nito, pakasal na yung dating
Oh,
eh.
feeling ko kinasal tayo doon.
Manila Hotel,
Yes!
big event.
It was the first debut.
First
on
debut
TV.
on TV.
Oo. Binigay niya sa akin yung moment. Parang ganyan. And then, kaya yun yung nag-ano sa amin, nagbibigayan kami ng moment. Parang feeling ko, kinasal kami, ganon. That time, because I was so young, I never heard the things that you said to me now and how much you appreciated me. Parang feeling ko, never na ibalik sa akin yung tears, yung feeling ko ng first love, yung talagang feeling ko, nilalagnat ako na bakit hindi niya ako tinatawagan. But that's the reason na I felt na I don't think it became us because I felt like parang for me, ako lang yung parang nung time na yun. So that's why whenever I'm being interviewed, I don't label it. I don't know if that's being defensive, but now that we're mature, what do you feel?
Siyempre pag bata ka, hindi mo naman alam kung paano mo i-express yung kung paano mo ibabalik. Kasi first girlfriend ko si Heart.
Ako talaga yung first
Ikaw,
girlfriend
first
mo.
girlfriend
I was
ko.
not your first girlfriend.
You are.
No, may I remind you.
Na over the phone lang yun.
But it's still,
Let me explain.
I wanted yellow presto.
Let me
sige.
explain.
Or yellow.
Wala kasi akong idea kung paano mo maging boyfriend. So, syempre, before Heart, nag-meet kami ni Heart, I was 16, 15, ganyan. Pero before nun, syempre, lumalandi rin naman ako, lalaki ako eh. Pero dati kasi, over the phone, strict din parents ko, hindi ako nakakalabas. So, yun lang yung landi ko. Tapos, pag sinasagot na ako, natatakot na ako. Nung kami ni Heart talaga, yun yung talagang wala akong choice but to have her around, diba? So, nung naging kami, sobrang first time lahat. First time lahat nung pakiramdam. So, hindi ko alam kung paano ko ibabalik sa kanya. But actually, pagkikita namin, effortless kasi nga, para kaming
May taping kami.
as in Monday to Sunday, we're together. Sorry kung hindi ko nasasabi yun ng time na yun, but siguro yung first time
You have to look at me
ko.
when you say sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry kung hindi ko na nasabi yun, but syempre nung ngayon as we tumanda na tayo, nagkaroon na tayo ng kahit papaano siguro wisdom in our life. And dun ka nakakapag-look back and you know, you appreciate those things. And sabi ko nga, sa lahat nung naging ex ko, kay Heart ako walang nasasabi. Wala akong masasabi kasi siya talagang very giving.
Aw,
Understanding,
oo
thoughtful.
naman.
Siguro din yung scrapbook, 'di ba? Yan yung totoong kaya yung nagpahirap nung nawala eh. Yung pag nakikita mo yung scrapbook, ano niya yun eh. Feeling ko yun yung talagang
Language
tanim
of
niya
love
eh.
ko, language
Tanim
of
niya
love.
yun eh, yung album talaga lahat,
At
every
inulit ko
detail.
yung ano natin, scrapbook ko, kaya hindi ko nadala.
Ako nga sabi ko, sinunog ko eh. Kasi siyempre sobrang sakit. Sinunog ko talagang ganyan, no?
Ako pinulit.
Sabi ko, okay na ako. Pagbalik ko sa kwarto, bakit hindi pa din?
May ganun ka?
May ganun ako.
Nagulat ako dun sa sinabi niya kasi if I would have known, then I would have stayed. When it became officially hot, the love team, that's when we broke up, in a sense.
At our peak, no?
Oo, at our peak. So parang, ako kasi, tas ako nagka-non-showbiz boyfriend ako, na syempre dinadala ko sa taping kasi
Sakit eh.
ganti-gantihan lang naman.
Alam mo yung magaganda na pag-usapan natin. Yeah, but yeah, those are the memories na talaga when you look back. Ang genuine kasi nga.
But it was nice.
At saka wala talaga akong masasabi sa'yo, Hardy. As in talagang simula noon, siguro ako masasabi ko pag ako yung masama. Alam mo yun, ako yung masama in a way na,
Thank you naman.
hindi, totoo naman.
it's not
Masama in a way that, you know,
No, but
nung
you were
time na
young.
yun, hindi kasi ako appreciative.
You
Diba?
were young.
I was really young.
He was young. He was
Playful.
so guwapo. He's still guwapo now. And talagang nagpababaliw sa kanya yung even older girls. And I get it.
Plantation Bay.
Lala mo yung Plantation Bay?
Naalala mo ba yun? Naalala mo ba yun? Sakto yung pasok mo kuya. Doon kami nag-part ways. Na, kasi we were love team for 3, 4 years. Kasi I was young. Nas parang dumating ako sa point na, ito na ba yun? Like, kami na ba talaga? Like, parang ito na ba yun?
He wanted space.
Wanted space. Tapos nang binigay niya, after a week, doon ko na-realize na hindi ko pala kaya. And then, yun yung biggest, ko talaga na turning point na nung ako na yung babalik, ayaw na niya.
Leave me alone!
Hindi niya na ako gusto maka-work. Iba na. And then after niyan, ginawa niya na yung panday. And then, I was on my own. Bumalik ako sa dancing ko nung time na yun. I went back to my dancing. Doon na nagsimula yung survival era ko. That I had to do everything to survive. It was really hard because yung rock mo before, wala na eh. Yun na yung love team ko na naging last love team ko. Kasi sabi ko, ayoko na. Because nung nakikita ko siya, hindi na pareho.
That really hit me a lot. Because more than anything, he was family to me. And if I had known that it was survival mode, I wouldn't allow somebody I grew up with and I loved so purely we would have helped each other the way he helped me in the beginning of my career. So, sobrang umiyak ako sa kotse actually after ng interview. Kaming lahat, nang-iyakan kami kasi hindi ko talaga akalain na sasabihin niya that he was in survival mode.
Kung iisipin ko yung magandang heart na memories ko, syempre kasi ako sumira, di ba? Aaminin ko na. Pasensya na po sa mga Joe Hart.
You're
Pasensya
my
na sa mga-
forever. No, because we were really a team. Kasi
Oo, ang weird
even
eh.
if we didn't like each other, we really loved each other on screen.
Alam mo, pag binigyan mo nga kami ng script, titignan lang namin yan. Alam na namin
Alam
mangyayari.
na namin. I think we're the best.
Nag-direct na ako, kasi talagang totally different.
But then you see, like now, you have a job that's more lasting. So, yung redirection mo din was because you were supposed to be where you are today. You have how many kids?
I have 3 na.
Wow. Parang expected ko naman na magkakaroon ka ng madaming anak.
Kulang pa nga eh.
Talaga?
Ninasal ko lang si Liv. Ang saya, kasi syempre dati hindi mo naman na-expect na magkakaanak. Iba yung mundo. May iba talaga yung mundo mo. It will evolve around them. And grabe lang yung journey. Kaya ako sinagot ni Liv dahil sa kanya rin. Dahil binigyan ng ghosting. Kung alam mo kung ibang ano yan, baka wag na yan. Wag na yan.
So, sabi ko talaga sa kanya, oh my God, this is it, Liv. Sabi ko ganyan. If you don't wanna waste your time on everybody, siya na talaga yun, that you're not wasting your time kasi kayo na talaga magkakatuluyan. Kasi alam ko na...
Buti nga good words yung sinabi niya. Thank
Good
you
word to
Yeah.
boy.
And I was going here, I was more excited than nervous. Sabi ko lang sana, pa nag-usap kami parang dati.
Naguguluhan kasi ako sa'yo eh.
Alam mo yun, alam ko naman concern ka sa akin.
I'm so proud that you have always been a survivor in this industry and you are where you are today. You treasure your heart so much na kaya mong mabuhay kahit hindi na sila ang magdidikta kung anong dapat ka, kung sino dapat kasama mo. And I feel like you deserve that because you've always worked hard since you were a child. And not many child actors will be standing in your position now. Aside from that, you're married, you have children, you have a beautiful home. This is a forever friendship. Yun yung sabi ko kay Angelica, sabi ko sa kanya, kahit anong mangyari, forever ko kayong mahal eh.
Grabe naman yun. Thank you, Hearty. Thank you so much. Hindi ka mawawala sa buhay ko because hindi lang sa mata ng maraming tao but even for me, malaki yung part mo sa journey ko. Alam ko na nakikita na lang ng mga tao ngayon is ngayon. Pero hindi nila alam kung paano ka before, kung paano ka umabot sa ganyan na bata ka pa lang, yun ka na. And I'm just so happy na hindi ka rin nagbago. Kasi coming here, akala ko talaga ma-intimidate ako kasi may ganun eh. Kung iisipin ko yung magandang heart na memories ko, syempre kasi ako sumira, di ba? Aaminin ko na. Pasensya na po sa mga Joe Hart.
You're
Pasensya
my
na sa mga-
forever friend.
pasensya na sa mga Joe Hart. Like, you know, I was like,
And I think this is the beauty of it kasi we were friends first before anything else. Kaya walang masisira doon.
yeah.
As in, forever, forever.
Mm.
Diba?
So, kailan nga yung anniversary?
020202. I missed you.
Nakakamiss ka, no?
Missed you.
Grabe, I never thought we'll have
Don't
this.
forget me.
Hindi talaga mangyayari, Artie. Unless magka-amnesia ako, ha.
So I feel like nahil ako. Nahil ako today.
May maganda kaming conversation
Yeah.
after that. Yeah.
So this has been Missy and Hiwan.
Nangyari
See you
din,
guys.
no?
Yes, it's not the end. So in the end, tandaan nyo, kailangan at importante. Kahit pa-forward tayo, marunong tayo tumingin sa pinanggalingan natin. At wag natin kakalimutan yung mga nakasama natin during our trials, during our good times, at sa mga tumulong sa atin, sa mga careers natin. To the Prats family, I just wanna say, malaking utang na loob ko sa inyo dahil hindi mabibigyan ng break si Missy ang kakakayan ko kung hindi dahil sa inyo. So always be grateful, and I am grateful that I still have the friends that I had back then. This has been such a wonderful episode, one of my favorite episodes of Heart World. Hindi pa dito matatapos ang Heart World dahil sobrang dami pang mangyayari. So I'll see you in the next episode of Heart World. We've reached that moment. I cannot believe. Sobrang dami nangyari. Are you ready? Girl, saan tayo nakakarating na? I'm gonna make it out of it. You really wanted to get to that point? And I'm so happy to be there. Dahil Fashion Week, we have to do our contents, reels, and all that jazz.
Ang ganda!
Mama Jer!
Yun daw yung sanhinong sakit niya, nakakamatay na niya. Yung poknat niya. Tapos naniwala ka na.
Cancer ako. Pwede maging cancer.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
You wanna know? Doktora.
Yan, you can see. Kasi magnifier yan, so you can see kung merong scar.
That's not fair. Kind of like it. This is not good.
She fell in love, and she was so afraid that we wouldn't accept him, and he was so seasoned already, and she was so naive about life. So I was really scared. Very was your fault.
Nagulat ako na game show. First I said no. He dressed down. What is that? Ang hindi nila alam, kaya ako tinanggap para makapag-dress up ako. Evangelista! We ask the people.
Uy!
Hi, TJ. Nice to meet you.